Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market update for Veterans Day, Friday, November 11th. Investors around the world seem cautiously optimistic as they continue to track the latest developments out of Europe. The Italian Senate is voting to approve the country's 2012 budget bill today, and the measure is likely to be cleared by the lower house of Parliament tomorrow. The bill's passage could pave the way for the formal resignation of Prime Minister Silvio Berlusconi as early as Sunday. He's likely to be replaced by the economist and former European Commissioner Mario Monti. Traders are hoping that a new technocratic government in Italy will be able to get the nation's finances under control, and that's helping to calm the Italian bond market this morning. The price of the benchmark 10-year government note is rising again, while the yield declines further below 7%. It had hit a Eurozone high of nearly 7.5% earlier this week. Greece and Portugal were shut out of the credit markets and forced to request bailouts when their benchmark bonds reached similar levels.
The optimism over Italy's ability to address its financial problems is also helping the region's shared currency. The euro is rising for the second straight day and is now approaching $1.37 against the greenback. The dollar is also losing ground against most of its other rivals in the currency markets, and that relative weakness is giving a bit of a boost to commodities. Crude oil is rising back above $98 a barrel, while gold is trading at around $1,770 an ounce. The bounce in commodities is also due to an increased appetite among investors for riskier assets, and that trend is helping global equities as well. Stocks across Asia finished the week with broad gains, but the biggest advances are coming from Europe. The CAC 40 in Paris is adding 2%, while Frankfurt's DAX index is surging nearly 3%. U.S. stocks are following suit with gains of more than 1% on all three major indexes. The U.S. bonds markets are closed in observance of Veterans Day.
The biggest winner among the Dow Industrials is Walt Disney, up more than 6% in early trading. After yesterday's closing bell, the media and entertainment giant reported a 30% jump in its fiscal fourth quarter profit, beating analyst estimates. Disney credited the strong performance to increased advertising sales and fees from its cable television networks, along with higher attendance at its theme parks. Elsewhere in the entertainment industry, Viacom said it's moving its stock market listing from the New York Stock Exchange to the Nasdaq Global Select Market as of December 1st. Viacom's trading symbols, VIA and VIAB, will remain the same. And one more stock winner this morning is NVIDIA. The chipmaker is rising about 1% after reporting that its third quarter earnings more than doubled from a year ago. NVIDIA's revenue also topped estimates, thanks to gains in its core graphics chip business.
We have news from a couple mining-related companies to tell you about. Caterpillar reportedly made an offer for ERA Mining Machinery, a Hong Kong-based maker of coal mining equipment. The Wall Street Journal says the offer is worth about $887 million. Separately, Caterpillar announced that it will build a manufacturing plant in North America to build small tractors. The company hasn't decided yet which state will get the factory, but it will employ more than 1,000 workers once it's built. Shares of Caterpillar are adding about 1.5% on the news. But moving in the opposite direction is Molycorp, down 9% right now. The miner of rare earth minerals swung to a profit in the third quarter, but the results still missed expectations. And finally, keep an eye on shares of E-Trade Financial. It's falling nearly 5%. Making it the worst performer on the S&P 500. The board of the online broker unanimously rejected a call from its biggest shareholder, Citadel, to put itself up for sale. E-Trade reached the decision after hiring Goldman Sachs to review its strategic alternatives. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Thank you today and every day to all of our veterans. Have a great trading day and a fabulous weekend.